My name is Sister Marie Barth, and I'm going to show you how to make a greeting card with a brayer and water-based printer ink. I will start by gathering my materials. You want to test your paint consistency on scrap paper a couple of times until you know it is not too wet. After testing a couple times and finding the texture you want, you can go ahead and roll your brayer on the front of the card to create your cover design. I left a gap in between two blocks of paint rolls so I could stamp a message in between. I recommend leaving the inside blank so that the person sharing the card may write their own message. Greeting cards allow us to express our feelings and show others they are cared for. It may be difficult at times to tell someone how much they mean to you, but that's the beauty of greeting cards. They allow us to express feelings that we may otherwise not be able to express verbally. It also allows a person to reread our sentiments at times when they need to know they are loved and supported. When we express how much we care for one another and build each other up, the church as a community grows in maturity and unity with Christ.